AscendTMS, the world's #1 rated TMS software.
Hey there, Ascend users. It's your favorite TMS guru, Cam, back at it again with another super helpful setup tutorial. As you probably read in the title of the video, we're going to walk you through how to get started with your integration with Axle Payments. This super convenient integration allows you to factor your loads directly from AscendTMS in just a few keystrokes, alleviating the hassle of getting all the paperwork together in separate emails, as well as getting you paid faster. The first thing you're going to need to do is get your Axle Payments API key. To do that, just click this link here. It'll bring you to an article from Axle that'll explain how to get that key. Once you have it, just click the Connect to Axle button and enter in that API key that you have received from Axle Payments. Now that you're connected, you can instantly factor your loads from your accounting management tool inside of AscendTMS. And if you need to learn more about how to use accounting management and all those steps, we have a full training video that I'll be linking in the description of our video today. Factoring a load with AscendTMS and Axle Payments is simple, fast, and convenient. Now, before we get started with the actual factoring of the loads, there are a few required documents that you'll need to attach to a load before it's sent to Axle Payments. For our carriers, it's just going to be a signed POD labeled as POD in document management. Brokers, you'll need that plus a carrier invoice attached to the load. If you have any questions about document management with AscendTMS, you can watch this video that will also be linked in our description below. After having those required documents, select the invoice or invoices that you want to send for factoring. After you've chosen the invoice date, at the top of the accounting module, click the Factor Invoice button. A module will appear with all the invoices that you have selected, and you can choose to send all of those invoices to Axle Payments or select each one here on the right-hand side. There's a key at the bottom of this page to help indicate whether the invoice has been selected to be sent or not. Then just click the Continue button. You'll see a summary of the invoices and the net income of the invoices that are going to be sent for factoring. Then just click the Factor Load buttons. Now, if this is the first time that you're factoring for this customer or carrier, you'll have to do some mapping. You can actually search for the entities by their MC number here, or you can click the Create New Company button if you get no results. From here, just fill out the fields, click Submit for approval, follow the steps if you need to map payees as well, and then you're good to go. And just like that, you've successfully factored your loads with Axle Payments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our friendly support team at support@inmotionglobal.com.
AscendTMS, the logistics software for everyone. To stay up to date with the latest help videos and tutorials for AscendTMS, click that subscribe button. That way you can always be the first to know.